Hello, madlang people. Late gising. Na-late gising na naman ako. Ito, kakain pa lang. Brunch. Order na lang ng food. Okay guys, shout out everyone. Kain na po tayo. Okay. I think this is chicken adobo. Or, I don't know. Okay, bye guys. Hi to everyone. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Lahat dyan sa Pilipinas. Miss you guys. Okay, bye.